Hi guys, I'm Jigar Wagela. Last time we have discussed the dashboard of Inventor. If you do not have seen that video, just go through that video, or I will copy that link in the comment. Now today we will discuss the part modeling. To create a part, just go to this part template, but we do not know whether this template having a mm format or each format. So it is my recommendation to go to the new tab. Just click on the new and click the new. Then the new window will open, it having a English or metric. If you go to the English, then the all templates of corresponding module having a template of each format. If you go to the metric, the all template of corresponding module having a mm template. Okay, on the top side you can see the module of template of part module. On the middle you can see the template of assembly. On the bottom you can see the template of drawing. Now we are discussing of the part modeling, so we will select the template of part. It's a standard mm.ipt. Just select this template and click on the create. Now this is the window of the part. Look at this window. You cannot see in the middle screen. Okay. Now on the left side, here is the origin. Just click on this plus sign and it will be expanded. You can see there is a three plane, YZ, XZ and XY, and three axes, X, Y and Z axis, and the bottom there is a center. The center is a center point of this window. Whenever we select any plane, then plane will be highlighted, but we cannot visualize it properly. So on the right side upper corner, here is the home tab. Okay, just click on the home button. Now you can see that plane properly, YZ, XZ and XY. Okay. Now, but when you unselect the plane, then you cannot see anything. If you want to, the plane will be remain at its place, but we cannot see it properly. Now select that plane, any plane, and click the right click and select the visibility. Now you can see that plane. Same thing I will apply to XZ plane. Visibility, you can see that plane. Same way for XY plane. If you do not need that, then click the visibility off. Now before create the part, first of all we need to create a sketch. For that, go to the sketch. We are having a different entity like line, circle, arc and rectangle. I will select the sketch of rectangle. Select the rectangle. We are having a different option to create the rectangle. We will see one by one, but today we will see the first option, 2-point rectangle. Just click on the 2-point rectangle. Now to create a sketch, first of all we need to select the plane, either YZ, XZ or XY. You can select from this model tree or you can select from this plane also. Okay, I will select the XY plane. Now you come to the sketch panel. Here you can see the message on the bottom side left corner. Select first corner. You can see anywhere on this window, but I will select the center first. Okay, select first corner. Then you can see another message, select opposite corner. So select any point on this window. You can go on the right side, you can go left side, you can go bottom left, bottom right. Okay, anywhere. I will go here and click anywhere on the window. So your rectangle will be completed, but we do not have given the dimension. To give the dimension, just click on the dimension, select the length, left click, move the cursor upside and again left click. Now give the dimension as per your requirement. I will select 50. Same way, give the dimension of the width. Okay, select the width. Okay, move the cursor right side and again left click and give the appropriate dimension of the width. I will give the 30 dimension. Okay, your rectangle will complete. So finish the sketch. Now our sketch is ready. Now to create a part, we are having a different tool like extrude, revolve, sweep, loft. Okay, Today we will see the extrude tool. So click on the extrude. So your profile, here is the profile. The profile was already selected. We need to give the depth or height. Okay, by default it was 10 mm. You can give the dimension here or here also, doesn't matter. Okay, I will give this dimension 30. So same value will be highlighted here also. So click OK and your box will be ready. Okay, this is a simple box, simple basic feature of extrude tool. Okay, now we will create another part. Click new. Click new. Okay, create standard and create. So another part window will open. Last time we have make a sketch of rectangle. Now we'll make a sketch of circle. Select the circle. Okay, same way we have to first of all select the plane. I will select the visor plane. You can select any plane, XY or XZ. Okay, I will select the visor plane. On the left side bottom corner you can see the message select center of circle. So I will select center here. You can select anywhere on the window, doesn't matter. I will select the center. Okay, now move the cursor either on left side, right side, on the up side or down side, doesn't matter. Again left click. Now your circle is ready, but we do not have given the dimension. To give the dimension, just click on the dimension, select the periphery and again left click. Okay, now give the appropriate dimension. For example, I will give the dimension of 50. The diameter of circle is 50. Now your sketch is ready. Click on the finish sketch. Again, go to the 3D model and give the extrude command. Your profile was already selected in the sketch. Okay, we need to just give the depth or length of the cylinder. I'll give the depth is 60 mm. Okay, click on the OK. Now your cylinder is ready. Select the middle button for zoom in, zoom out in the both the keys. Okay, this is a simple basic feature of extrude tool. From the next video we will see the additional feature of extrude tool. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.